Hi, I am Sonja and I am really excited for this, mainly because when I do a skincare unboxing, that means I get to start a new skincare system, and I always do a new skincare system for at least a month. So what I'm gonna do is I have this box that I got from Pacifica that I am gonna open it up, show you all the products, give you my initial reaction, and then about a month from now I will come back and do another video and let you know what my thoughts are after using it for a month. So I'm really excited about this. Popped up on Facebook that Pacifica had a new collection, the vegan ceramide collection, and that it's supposed to be fragrance free and good for sensitive skin. So I was intrigued, obviously. My favorite skincare that I've used so far since I started this new journey and got away from my old skincare with my MLM that I used to be with is the Pacifica Vegan Collagen line. I was excited to try something else from Pacifica because I really like their skincare. Everything's been so good so far, so. Alright, so let's jump into this box and I will let you know my initial thoughts on everything. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the Pacifica Vegan Ceramide Extra Gentle Face Wash. Fragrance free, dermatologist tested, sensitive skin types. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free. So this is the bottle. It's really pretty and it says it's 85% sugarcane resin recycled tube. I always like Pacifica because they try to be sustainable as much as possible where they can, and that's important. So let's see what this is like. Yeah, it's totally fragrance free. It doesn't smell like anything. It's like this nice jelly type texture and it feels good, cooling. I mean, it's hard to tell on a cleanser until you actually use it, which I will be using this tonight. I'm really excited for that. So yes, that looks good. What's the next part here? And I got like everything in this, like every single product in this. The next thing we have is this. This is the Vegan Ceramide Barrier Face Lotion. Now there was two lotions. There's a barrier cream and a barrier face lotion, and just going based off of what I knew from the vegan collagen set, that the face lotion with that one I used during the day and then the cream I used at night. So that's what I'm going on the assumption of. Let's see here. Ooh, that's like really pretty. The bottle's super pretty and I'm thinking it's glass because Pacifica does use a lot of glass that can be recycled, so that's cool if it is. Let's try this. So it's just like a nice light cream and it feels really good. It feels really good. It's I just have to put some on my face. Yeah, and it doesn't smell like anything at all. I was sad though because this doesn't have any SPF in it, so it would have been nice if it had SPF, but that's right, we'll just add on a separate SPF. So let's look at the next. So this is Pacifica 100% vegan, cruelty-free, vegan ceramide barrier cream. And again, fragrance-free, dermatologist tested. Our blend is a skin identical lipid concentrate using plant-based fermented ingredients that help restore the protective barrier function of the skin. So I'm gonna use this one at night, the other one during the day. Oh, again, such a pretty container, and I do think this is another glass one that you can recycle. Yep, no fragrance. And it is nice and thick. Let's see. Oh, it's not as thick as I thought, but it is smooth. It's really smooth. It feels good. I'm gonna put some on my face. It feels good. There's not a lot to say until we try it out, but it feels nice, it feels smooth. The inside of the box is so pretty. I love the purple that they use, love it. Next, we will grab this. It's a serum. It's the Vegan Ceramide Serum. It's fragrance free, dermatologist tested. It says shake well, apply 3 to 4 drops as the final step in your skincare routine, day or night, and massage into the face, chest, or neck. So it says final step. So should this go over your moisturizer? All right, another beautiful packaging. And again, I think that's glass again. All right. I usually like to go with less is more with like any kind of skincare or anything, but I'm just gonna go for it with all of these and just see how it is. No smell again, and it's just like a nice light serum. It feels good. It feels like a moisturizer. Like honestly, that feels like a moisturizer. I feel like I bought 3 moisturizers. We will see. Okay, so the next one is this face oil. I'm excited for face oil. So this is the vegan ceramide face oil. Like seriously, all this packaging, everything is just beautiful. Like I love it all. It says here, every true beauty knows what's on the inside is what matters. So here's this bottle. And it says directions, shake well. Use alone or add 1 drop to your favorite moisturizer before bed or anytime your skin needs an extra boost. Apply to clean skin. There's a lot in this bottle. This is quite a bit. This is, well, it says 1 fluid ounce, but it just seems like a lot to me. I don't know. I mean, feels oily. You know what? It actually feels like it has some sort of a scent. I don't think it's been fragranced. I think it's just its natural smell has some sort of like a really light, barely there smell at all whatsoever. This feels oily. Like not bad oily, but like it feels oily. I mean, I can definitely feel it left on my skin, but I kind of like it. I don't know if I would use that during the day, but at night, I think like as a final step to put that on your skin, I think it would feel really nice and just kind of like seal in all of the good moisturizer that you put on so you go to bed and you just feel like, ah, I think that might be nice. I do. I'm actually really excited for the oil. Like the most excited for the oil, I think. All right, what else? Oh, this isn't skincare, this is makeup. But I really wanted to try this, the Pacifica Fluffy Blushy. I keep seeing this. Got it. It's supposed to be like really good. I've heard really good things about this. We'll just put it right on top of the skincare I've put on. I'm gonna wash my face shortly anyways, so put my little mirror and see. Oh, it's really light. Well, this doesn't really have much color to it at all. Huh. Well, maybe I'm not giving it a fair shot because I do have all of that face oil on. So let's just put it on my arm where I didn't put any kind of skincare. So when we put it on my arm, you can see it a little bit more. This would probably be so nice if you just were going with like a no makeup look and you had like on just some sort of like a tinted moisturizer or like a BB cream or CC cream and you just wanted to put like a little color back into your cheeks. You could probably just use this and it would look really nice. But I don't think I'm as impressed with that. I have not been as impressed with Pacifica's makeup as I am with Pacifica's skincare. But I haven't tried all the makeup, but what I've tried so far, I haven't been overly impressed with. I'm just much more impressed with the skincare. Okay, so this next thing is an eye cream. So this is Barrier Eye Cream, and I love a good eye cream. So I'm hopeful that I'm gonna like this one. So we will see. It says it's fragrance-free, allergy tested, dermatologist tested, safe for sensitive skin. So this is what it looks like. Some on the back of my hands. Oh, comes out really fast. It is a little thinner. So let's just put some on my eye area. I like eye creams that are thicker usually, so they stay in place. And I always put them on my eyelids because I tend to have dry skin and my eyelids are skin and it gets dry. I mean, it doesn't burn my eyes at all. That's good. So we'll try it and see. I'm excited to have a new eye cream to try out, so yay me. Okay, and then we just have 2 more things in the box. Yeah, I got everything for this whole set. Oh wait, no, this I got with the set. I think I got this for free because this is the vegan collagen. And so I think I got this one for free. So we'll go with what I got as part of the set. So this is the Vegan Ceramide Hydration Fill Under Eye and Smile Line Jelly Patches. So I thought these were reusable, so that's why I wanted them. So let's see, apply to dry, clean skin, gently remove patch from mesh, protective layer on both sides, apply to smile lines and or under eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes to allow product to fully absorb before gently removing. Discard patches after use. I thought these were reusable. If I would have known, I wouldn't have got these. I thought they were reusable. Oh, I have to tell you, I am so super sad. I am so super sad because I don't usually get any of these because I am trying not to be as wasteful, and so I don't want to get something that I use once and I throw away, and I thought these were reusable patches. So I'm kind of bummed, but I have them, so I'm not going to waste them by not using them. So I will use these, and I will let you know what I thought of these when I come back in a month to do a review on it. Okay, and then the last thing that I got free in the set is the Vegan Collagen Hydro Treatment Under Eye and Smile Lines. I think these are masks. Yeah, these are masks as well. So these are the same types of patches. It's just from their Vegan Collagen line, and these are not reusable as well. I'm excited to try them. Like, I can't wait to try them, but I'm bummed that they're not reusable. Oh wow. Okay, so I am super, super excited. I cannot wait to try all this new skincare. Since it doesn't come with an SPF, I'll be using my own SPF. And the one that I've been using that I love so much is the Black Girl Sunscreen. This is SPF 45, it's reef safe, it's vegan, cruelty free, and is a Black owned business, and it is also a female owned business. This is a great sunscreen that I highly, highly recommend. I will be combining this with this set, and I'll put all of these products in the description if anybody's interested in trying them at the same time I am. If not, check back with me in about a month and I will have a review of all these products, let you know what I think, which ones are worth it, which ones aren't. I feel like I have some, like, well, actually triple products in this case, because I have the 2 creams, and then the serum felt more like a cream than a serum to me, but like a moisturizer, but we'll see, we'll try it. Keep an open mind and we'll try it all out. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe, ring the bell so you know when all of these videos are posted. I love your feedback in the comments. I have literally been buying or have on my list to buy soon products that you guys have recommended to me. So I have all of those products that I am going to be talking about soon. So make sure that you tune in, comment, let me know what vegan and cruelty free products you think I should try next. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.